Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a Ford Lookalike radio made by Audiovox. It may look pretty similar on the outside. On the inside, there's no similarity whatsoever. But anyway, we were able to get her going. This comes from Ron in Ron in Richmond, Indiana. And Ron has requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased output power. So we've got a new harness in place of the original connectors. And we're going to test her out and make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get.
I was there when a woman lost her best friend.
We're going to demonstrate the
50 years.
We're going to demonstrate the front rear fader.
When a troubled teen decided to live.
Fader adjust.
Okay, we're going to need our meters for this. And now we're adjusting all the way front.
I'm a
all the way
realtor,
rear,
and I am
front,
an volunteer.
rear.
I'm a student
Okay, I'm
and
going to center
I'm
him.
a volunteer.
I'm a retired RN, and I'm a fader.
Fader sit.
I was
Okay,
there
left,
when
right,
they told
balance.
a wife her husband died.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
Help a
all the
family
way
after
left,
their home was
all the
destroyed
way
by
right,
fire, and they didn't
left,
know where to turn.
right.
I'm a food industry
Okay,
consultant,
gonna center
and
him.
I am an ACT volunteer.
Balance set.
Okay, so we don't need this stuff anymore. Let's switch to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through a quick test.
Enseñarás bien.
Sexy body. I look while I ride it, got me acting so excited, so exotic.
And so happy, never felt so.
Gotta get a little bit of drift there.
Sweet, sweet life.
Alrighty, let's try the 8-track function. We're at the end of a song there. No crosstalk between songs. That means proper head adjustment. Okay, we're waiting on an automatic track change now, so we'll just let it do that. Be a few more seconds at the very end of the tape, so there's quite a bit of... There we go. There we go. Alrighty, eject the tape. And that takes care of that. Now the eject button changes the radio station, so you might want to set your favorite station to the end button, because that way when you eject the tape, you'll still be on your favorite station. So that let's make sure the dial light works. Yep, you can see it peaking, and that's kind of a... There we go. You can see the dial light flashing through that opening right there. So we're all good to go here. She's ready to go back, and this might be my last video of the evening, maybe not. It is Sunday night. It is 7 o'clock on a Sunday night, so I may just take the rest of the night off. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website that's in the description below. And please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is designed to do. It's designed to answer all your questions as you're filling it out and as you're reading through it. I'm happy to talk to you after you've got my work order in your hand, and we can have a nice little pleasant chat. But as far as hitting me with a 15-minute series of questions, that's just not going to allow me to put my top quality workmanship into your radio when it arrives. So please respect my need for bench efficiency and my need to stay off the phone as much as possible, and read my work order before calling me with questions. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Ron, for your business all the way from Indiana, and we'll see you guys next time.